Apple will ship up to 30 million iPhone SE 2 by the end of 2020. According to rumors, the second-generation iPhone SE smartphone will be released in the first quarter of 2020, which will be equipped with upgraded components. Apple's well-known analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who had previously published information about the iPhone SE 2 smartphone, supplemented his previous posts with news that the smartphone will use an LCP antenna. It is expected to provide better signal reception. It became known about the design features of the iPhone SE 2. LCP is a flexible organic material with low thermal expansion and minimal signal loss, making it a suitable component for wireless antennas. It also has high resistance to heat and fire. This material is used in the design of a wide range of products, from automotive sensors to speakers and optical cables. According to rumors, iPhone SE 2 will cost $399 for a 64GB model and will ship in space gray, silver, and red. Early estimates suggest that Apple will ship up to 30 million iPhone SE 2 by the end of 2020.